Lots of people coming out today. Lots of people want to play. Okay, gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, let's go. They're waiting. So let's go. What? Anarchy, sorry. Anarchy. Look at that, all the crowds are out. Okay, it's all ours. Yeah. Very nice. So here comes the test. Here comes the test of the Brompton. I've done this bridge dozens of times with my other bikes, but now I'm going to be doing it with my Brompton. First time over the Champlain Bridge. Let's see what it's all about. Don't show up. So far so good. I'm almost at the top of the highest point of the bridge. So it all amounts to how good in shape you are, what you can do with this bike. Let's see if I can beat my world record on this bike. All-time world speed record. Let's see. 39, 40, 41, 45. Let's see. 46, 47, 48. 50! I think I shouldn't push it.
Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful. Where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say
You good? Tonic, right? Woohoo! Woohoo! Come on, guys, come on. Let's go. You're slowing me down on my little boy bike. I can't wait. Woohoo! Runner up. Dog up. Let's see. Now we're going to be going on the Voie de Marais, freshly paved. Let's see. Here we are. So all these speedos out here. This is where they can rip, let her rip. Nice. Mile. Look at that. This is really nice. Now, isn't that awesome?
Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say louder, say louder. Feel the moment, feel the power.
What a feat of engineering. The bike, that is. Alright, that was a nice visit. See how I'm going to stay behind you. Which way do we go?
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the energy
Good job! Good job! Okay, so they
one more time.
had construction here last year too. Now we can get through.
Letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life.
Biker up!
Bring the energy one more time.
Oh yeah, I'm getting tired.
Yep, I'm tired now.
I'm getting tired. You too?
Oh yeah.
Almost back. What a feat of engineering. The bike, that.